Multiply 714.04 by 5 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor. 5 times 4 is 20. Put 0 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 0 plus the carried 2 is 2. 5 times 4 is 20. Put 0 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 1 plus the carried 2 is 7. 5 times 7 is 35. The product of the whole numbers is 357,020. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 357,020 becomes 3,570.20. That is simply 3,570.2. So 714.04 times 5 is 3,570.2.